Imagine driving uphill, but your car rolls backward. Welcome to Magnetic Hill, where gravity seems to play tricks. These hills are optical illusions, where the layout of the surrounding land creates a false horizon, making a slight downhill slope appear as an uphill one. The quirky part? Your brain is fooled into thinking you're defying gravity. This illusion is so convincing that even water appears to flow uphill. Next time you visit, remember, it's all in your head. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-bending facts.